Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share a delicious and healthy chicken bread recipe that's perfect for any meal. Whether you're looking for a nutritious lunch option or a cozy dinner idea, this dish is sure to impress. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need some lean chicken breast, whole wheat bread, fresh vegetables like spinach and tomatoes, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs and spices. This combination not only packs a flavorful punch, but also provides a great source of protein and fiber. First, we'll cook the chicken. Season it with a pinch of salt, pepper, and perhaps a dash of garlic powder for that extra zing. Grill or saute it until it's perfectly cooked and juicy. While that's happening, let's prepare our bread. Whole wheat bread is a fantastic choice because it's rich in nutrients and keeps you feeling full longer. Once the chicken is ready, slice it up and layer it on your bread. Add a generous handful of fresh spinach and some juicy tomato slices. You can even drizzle a little olive oil or a light vinaigrette for added flavor. If you're feeling adventurous, throw in some avocado for creaminess. Now, here's the fun part. You can either enjoy it as an open-faced sandwich or top it with another slice of bread for a classic sandwich feel. Either way, you're in for a treat. This healthy chicken bread is not just easy to make. It's also a wonderful way to incorporate lean protein and veggies into your diet. Plus, it's customizable. Feel free to swap in your favorite ingredients or add a slice of cheese if you'd like. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every bite. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Happy cooking!